Well, we're out here in the woods today, and going to try and hunt this spot we found. Did a little research and found it. It's a, as you can see, it's a cellar hole from an old foundation. There's a great big tree here in the backyard, and yeah, I'm going to see what we can do. Hopefully we'll have some good luck. We'll let you know if we find anything. Well, I just got my first interesting find of the day, and I believe it's part of an old gas lamp. That's what it looks like, but it's pretty cool. And medicine bottle, I believe, was what it is, was also in the hole with it. So pretty cool start. Well, welcome back. After digging that part of a lamp, I got my first coin of the day. It's a 1940 wheat penny. See if I can get it to focus on it. So we're off to a good start. Hopefully we'll get some more. Well, we decided to change spots and came over to another cellar hole that we found over here. And Dad just got his first coin of the day, and he thinks it's a large cent. And that's what it looks like. Great. It's a great find, man.
Yeah, I don't want to rub it too much, but you.
Looks like it says 1 cent right there, doesn't it?
Yep.
Awesome, man. You see it? We're not going to rub it too much, but looks like a large cent, so way to go, man.
Thanks.
Sweet. We'll let you know if we find anything else. Well, Dad's got himself a good signal here. He's gonna dig it up, see what it is. Hopefully it's another large cent. What is that?
It's like a cigarette lighter.
A lighter?
It was.
It's falling apart?
That looked like the wheel.
Well, too bad it's not a large cent. Alright, here's what we got from the 2 cellar holes today. I got the piece from the lamp, which is kind of cool, and wheat penny, 1940, and I did get 2 memorial cents, and we got a few buttons, and Dad got a large cent. We think it's 1852, but that's about it.